Hello and namaste guys, welcome back to the channel. So that was just a clip of the Halloween party, but today we are with something new, the brand new phone on the table here. So as हामी यो iPhone 12 Pro Max को unboxing गरिरहेको छौं. So thought of doing it with you all. So this is the best phone in the market as per the iPhone right now. The box चाहिँ अलि slim छ just because यसमा cable मात्र आउँछ एउटा, no charger, no earphones this time. So let's see what's inside. Alright, here it comes, the unboxed iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is all what we got. एउटा wire, the cable, and this is manual. Okay, let's remove the front. Wow, of course नयाँ phone हो, looks really nice and attractive. Side cut चाहिँ दामी छ, the new look, the new presentation of iPhone. This is they look like iPhone 5 series ma jun thyo त्यस्तै style ko cha, but of course it's a way bigger than that. Basically it's the biggest phone iPhone ever launched with screen of 6.1 inches screen. iPhone 11 Pro ma पनि screen ठुलो थियो, but that was 5.8 inches. This is 6.1 inch. So the biggest screen ever in the iPhone, and of course the latest features, full on updated features on it. So let's set it up first अनि बाकी feature हेरौँला. अरु त के हुन्छ, just camera to see के छ भनेर. बाकी लुक त यस्तै हो. अलि डिफरेन्स छ जे भने धेरै पछि iPhone ले आफ्नो फोन स्टाइलमा चेन्जेस ल्याएको छ. I guess after 3 years side बाट हेर्दा totally different, and हातमा समात्दा नि it's nice, feels different. So here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So पछाडीबाट चाहिँ exactly same छ, but side बाट of course different छ. अनि screen त्यो भन्दा अलिकता थोरै ठुलो छ. It's like त्यो चाहिँ 5.8 inch, यो चाहिँ 6.1 inch. So उसरी हेर्दा चाहिँ उस्तो उस्तै लाग्छ, but अलि ठुलो चाहिँ ठुलो छ. Of course त्यो चाहिँ थाहा हुन्छ, फोनै अलि ठुलो देखिरहेछ त्यो 11 Pro को अगाडि. That's why it's the biggest phone, so-called biggest phone. Side button, this is the biggest difference, the new look. So your iPhone 10, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we have all three here. Screen 10 मा त्यो बेलाको सबभन्दा एट्र्याक्टिभ फोन हो, बट अहिले त अफ कोर्स सानो देखिरहेछ. बट जब लन्च भएको थियो यो एबाटै रिभोल्युसन सुरु भएको भनौँ न, लाइक होम बटन नभएको फोन थियो 10. So यो चाहिँ 12 Max Pro को फिनिसिङ really nice job on that. So here's all three phone. अब अरु त के छ यसमा, I wish कुनै राम्रो ठाउँमा भएको भए अलिकता क्यामेराको सिनेक भ्यूहरु हेरेर थाहा हुन्थ्यो proper difference. But still क्यामेरा चाहिँ अन गर्छु म here just as far as possible. केही त देखिन्छ होला, बट त्यस्तो केही त छैन यहाँ शो गर्नलाई. अलि भ्यू भएको भए हुन्थ्यो. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली विल डु द्याट इन कमिङ डेज. नेक्स्ट टाइम कुनै बेला we can compare it, not a big deal. So this is the iPhone 10, the wine bottle, that's all I can show. यो चाहिँ iPhone 12 Pro को यसमा zooming चाहिँ 0.5, 1 र 2.5 छ, so ultra zoom छ. That might help to capture the full pictures in a better way. So बाकी त उस्तै हो सबै. So त्यही हो फोनको बारेमा. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining. We'll see you soon with something new. Thank you.